Hello guys, this is me, Lisa. So this is my daily makeup tutorial. There is the products that I'm using for today. And let's go to the tutorial. This my skin condition with redness scars. First, I'm going to use these concealers. This is my favorite Maybelline concealers. I'm going to use the color in Sand and applying that on my dark circles. I blend my concealer using my finger. Makes it a lot easier to blend, and it doesn't make it look cakey at all. Next, I'm going to use this powder. This is Funbo, and I'm using this to set my eyes. And then I'm gonna using this eyeshadow palette. This is Wet n Wild color icon in shade Comfort Zone. I choose this color to my definer shade. And it makes your eyes more dramatic. I'm gonna using this pretty color for my eyelid. I'm just using my fingers and line my under eyes with the definer shade. I'm using this to my inner corner, and then I'm using this color to my brow bone. Okay, next moving on to the eyeliner. I'm using Maybelline Line Tattoo High Impact Liner. This is my favorite, and it has black color. And now for the eyebrows, I'm using pencil eyebrows. This is from Funbo Cosmetics.
Just following the lines of my eyebrows.
So I need the cotton bud to make my eyebrows perfect. Okay, then I need my concealers again to make my eyebrows more definition. And here it is, all done with the eyebrows. Moving on to the mascara. Move to my complexion. First, I'm using my concealers and then blend it. I'm blend it carefully, guys.
because I won't make it look cakey at all.
This is my foundation, Maybelline Fit Me in shade Warm Nude. This is matte and poreless. That is fit for normal to oily skin. I'm done with my foundation, and next the powder. I'm using this rainbow powder to set my foundation to make my complexion. I'm using this to contour my nose. And contour my cheekbones. Next, I'm using Eminer Cheek Lick Press Blush in the shade Bitter Sweet. It is like a natural peach color. For the highlighter, this is Maybelline Master Strobing Cream. I'm using the nude color. This is illuminating cream. I applied it on my nose, my cupid bows, and to my jaw, and then to my cheekbones. Okay, I'm done with my complexion, and this is using lips cream. This is from Wardah. And of course the lip gloss. So this is it, the look. We're done. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you guys in the next videos. Bye.